So let's do something beautiful with the primary colors. We have a 7 ounces cup, and we're gonna start with white, and they have my mix of 2 parts of Liquitex, 2 parts of GSC, 1 part of Easy Flow, and they have some of the Sargent. I'm gonna start with white. Add a tiny bit of Quinacridone Violet and a tiny bit of orange, green, and a little bit of brown. I put some yellow and orange on top of that brown. Okay, let's go back to the white. Let's go back to the primary. Red. Blue. Yellow. Need to prepare a tiny bit more of the white. Okay, I'm gonna do a flick cup in here, but I also want to have some white to put around, so that's what I'm gonna mix some white to put around. Okay, so I'm putting the white around. I think that's enough. Now I'm going to tilt and sip on that white. That's like a swiping technique, really. You're swiping underneath that white. This is supposed to be very different because I use different colors today. I'm gonna, wow, how pretty was that color in there, in the cup. I'm putting this in here. So that it can help. Okay. That blue is so pretty. Even the things that I take from the cup, they have cells. See? From there. So now, oops, torching. I think I'm gonna put a tiny bit more of the white. So let's move this baby. losing beautiful things in here, but you have to let it flow. That corner. One more corner and that's it. Let's bring back those beautiful cells. Another fracaso. That corner, otro fracaso. So here is the final result. And this time it has been varnished, and I'm gonna show you what I used. I used the DecoArt clear pouring top coat to varnish. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful finish. And I call this piece strawberries and cream because to me it has the colors of the strawberries. So these are like strawberries in here, and this is the cream. So that was my idea. I hope you like it. Try to show it to you without the shine. Please come back for more. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining me.